you doing? It's so nice to see you. I'm so glad you could join me today on YouTube. My name is Deshawn and you're watching Distinctively Deshawn. Today is a living room refresh and I invite you to come along. So welcome to my home. Hello blessed people. In today's video I am going to be doing a living room refresh, okay? To my distinctive family, guess what y'all? I'm gonna be using some of the haul items that I purchased from my home decor haul video, so I cannot wait to show you guys what I end up doing with these good finds, okay? Let's get into it. Let's get into it. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Deshawn and I do videos on decoration, inspiration, as well as motivation. Today I'm giving you a little cleaning motivation paired with some home decor from some recent purchases that I want to update my distinctive family on. If that sounds like content you're interested in, please do consider subscribing to the channel. Don't be a stranger, okay? Y'all come back now. To all of my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. And to my distinctive family, welcome back to the channel. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Hey now, there's that mirror that I got on sale at Target that I was super excited about. The two mirrors on the side I already had. I just moved them from upstairs to downstairs. This is a new item as well, guys, that was not included in my haul. I swapped out the previous slide under sofa table that I had here and replaced it with this console table. If you're not cleaning, I hope you are relaxing. I did not clean everything on camera today, so this is a short and sweet one, y'all. Toots' allergies are acting up, so she licks her paws excessively, and she made a big wet spot in my carpet. This was a clear glass vase before I made it this beauty. If you're interested in seeing how I transformed it into this, check out my DIY decorative vase video if you haven't already. I'm using the same throws and pillows that were previously on the furniture. I'm not quite tired of it yet. I just removed everything to clean it and freshen it up. I love the fact that all the pillowcase covers are removable and washable, so it makes cleaning them so easy. Y'all, Toots don't know what's going on. She had to get up and come and investigate. She don't know if she want to sniff and smell or play. Well, this was a doozy. Should have been a two-man job, but I tackled it by myself. Ask me why, I don't know, but me and Toots was rocking out. I did not have the rug Scotch guard, so I just used the upholstery one. Do not do that. Get the right one, okay? I'm just being resourceful, using what I got. So that's what I'm spraying on my carpet right now to protect it. Again, I repeat, buy the one for rugs and carpets. No big deal. No big deal. I let the Scotch guard dry prior to replacing my tables. However, I did not steam iron my area rug to get the wrinkles out. If you are impatient and you want those wrinkles going right away, then use your steam iron over a white towel. I'm just going to wait a couple days to see if it settles. We have come to the conclusion of this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, guys. I truly appreciate your presence here. Please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you have not already done so. Have a blessed and prosperous week. Until next time, ciao.